Yeah, good day. I welcome you all. This tutorial I'm going to show you how to make use of Phone Master to increase the memory size of your phone by getting rid of unwanted junks and to clear your phone cache. Phone Master is an inbuilt application that comes along with your phone. Phone Master is one of the apps in which you can uninstall on your phone, like others inbuilt applications that are not, in which you can't uninstall them, like YouTube. Now let me click on YouTube. Can you see now YouTube you can't uninstall YouTube app because it's an inbuilt application that comes along with your phone, unlike WhatsApp in which you can uninstall WhatsApp app on your phone. Now let's go to the video, the tutorial in details. Now first thing is that go on your phone, click on Phone Master. This is the Phone Master app. Can you see the app now? That's the app. Click on the app. Can you see now the first one at the left hand side says junks file? That is where the junks files are located. It says freeing up your storage space. Click on it. It will allow you to remove some junks, some cache that some systems that are running that have some caches left on your phone. You can see now these are the applications on your phone. By clearing the cache, you have saved 1.76 gigabytes on your phone. That's the one is for the junks file. The junks file has finished. The next one is memory usage. Click on memory usage. Your phone is scanning. Click on optimized. After you might have clicked on optimized, can you see now it's optimizing memory? It's trying to increase the size of your memory by getting rid of unwanted file that can slowing your phone. 245 megabyte has been optimized. You can play along with this thing. You can optimize each of these applications one after the other, but click on back. What we after is this app cleaner. Click on app cleaner. We have 5 good applications suggested for us to clean, but most of the one that normally consume most of your data is WhatsApp and likewise Facebook Messenger. Click on WhatsApp. Yes, scan completed. But one thing about me I normally do is I do try to get rid of this backup conversation history, because I don't need them. I don't normally back up my files. You can just click on the top. You can get rid of this file. Just clean 440 megabytes. It has been completed. You can now look at these files one after the other. This is the images. This one shows the images that are on your phone that you can look into. You can look at the one in which you need, and you can get rid of other that you don't need. Now we have audio. You can look at the audio files that you need. You can get rid anyone in which you don't. You can just take it and click on clean. But mostly I do play along with this video. It means that there are a lot of videos in which I've put on my WhatsApp status, and there are some videos in which I've sent to friends that they are consuming space on my phone, and I can now take them, because mostly I do find duplicate contents on this file space. I cannot get rid of those ones that are duplicated. I can get rid of those that in which I don't even need. That is how this one works. Can you see it now? I have a lot of this thing which I've sent to people here. I cannot take them. I cannot delete anyone which I don't need, like this one now. Let me delete like this one. I don't need this one. You can take as many as possible, in which you can, just for you to free the memory space of your phone. Now see, now I free. See, that one is for video. Likewise, you can even check for received files. These are the files in which you have received. You can play along the one in which you don't need that. All these file I don't need them because they are I don't need them. Just click on it. Now I'm done with the WhatsApp. You can now play along with others like this TikTok. There's clean up messenger junks. I can clean up the junks on my Facebook Messenger as well. Can you see now the junks has been no junks file for, because it has been cleaned up. That one is for app cleaner. You can play along with file management and battery management. Battery managers helps you to optimize your battery level by trying to shut down some apps that are working on your phone temporarily, just to include the battery size of your phone. My battery size now is 28%. I can now turn on battery optimization. I can check charging reports, supercharging. Let me click on optimize now. It will optimize some apps. Now it has optimized 21 apps battery level now. Can you see now battery optimize regular? You can now play along with this one. Optimize. You can optimize for each of these. So you can click on app booster. App booster, you just click on this one that shows something like boost. Click on it. It's trying to scan the app on your phone, and likewise some underground services that are running. They are not installed. This one, you can't find any install app here. They are underground apps running on your phone. You can take as many as possible just to optimize them. Click on optimized. The memory space has also been optimized. Can you see optimizing memory? Yeah, can you see now? The final one is that there is one app here this one. It's what is 51%. Now you can click on it just for you to optimize your apps. This one helps you. It's like a shortcut to optimize your app. Click on it. From 51, it's on to 54%. Can you see something at the top? It says it is the best condition and keep it up. That's how to work with Phone Master to optimize your memory of your phone and